What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will talk about the color widgets update. So as we all know, color widgets is a widgets app. I have showed you in my video. You can link I have linked it in the iCard, so you can go and check that out. I have showed color widgets and many more apps which are really cool. These widgets are really cool, and I have showed these widgets on my video, so you can click that iCard and go to watch that video. So color widgets have got an update, and this update looks really cool. First of all, there is addition of this color, and not only this color, we can see that there are few new fonts. And not only fonts, if you will double tap this button, you will see a whole new panel, so you can customize your widget, and this can literally be so useful. And not only this, we got some spectrums, we got some sliders, and like this thing is seriously awesome. Right now this app is almost perfect, and right now I'm using free version, and if you have the paid version, it is even much more better. So actually I won't recommend you to pay money and get these features, because these features were earlier available for paid users, but now it is available for free users too. But right now there is addition of few new things for the paid users. So yeah, of course, if we are getting something, we are of course losing something too. Now the next thing, as you can see, first of all, the spectrum looks really cool, and not only this, the colors sliders look much more better, and you can click on the plus icon and get much more feature, and just get the 100% of your iPhone widgets, and just it looks really cool, man, like seriously. Now the next thing is color picker. So you know that we have this feature on Instagram. This is the same feature. You can pick the color of any photo of any shade. If you are not able to make it, you can just use it and just do your thing. Now the next thing is this font. This particular font was available earlier, but now it looks much more better, and it is much more refined than earlier. So yeah, we have got some dope changes. Now the next thing is these new widgets. So these widgets are, as you can see, that crown, it means it is available for the paid users. So these look really cool, and right now there is a new addition of these. Earlier these were not there. These were there, but these were not as refined and as much better as this is like much more better. You got the point, right? So yeah, that's all I know, and that's all I have read everywhere. This is the only update we have got to color widget. Peace out. If you do end up liking my video, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. Peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next one.